Now I'm excited about this one is turn on app protection. Now let's go to settings to turn on the app protection. So I'm going to swipe upwards and there is the settings. So that's the settings there. So I'll tap on the settings. Now scroll all the way downwards to find security and privacy. That's it there, security and privacy. Tap on it. You can see here that it is clearly flagged turn on app protection. That's it over there, clearly flagged. So this means that it is important to turn on the app protection. Now if I scroll a little bit downward, you can see the app security. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the app security. All right, that's it over there. So I'll tap on it to open. Turn on the features below to regularly check apps for malware and other suspicious activity. If any problems are found, you will be notified. So you see how important it is. You can see this other one has this. So this is the one we'll be looking at to turn on, because the other one, Google Play Protect, is already turned on. So I'm going to tap on it. Here you can see it says turn on, but let's see what is written here. It's turned off over there. Last scanned, never. So it has never been scanned because there's a new phone. Now it says turn on app protection to stay safe from malware and other suspicious activity. By continuing, you agree to the McAfee end user license agreement and McAfee privacy policy. All right, so it says turn on. But let's see the tip here. Protect your other devices with a special offer from McAfee for Samsung mobile users. So this is an advert now, but this is important because as you can see, it was flagged by this particular phone. So we're going to press on that turn on. So before we turn it on, so what does this say? For your security, app protection will scan for issues each time you install a new app. This may take app installations slower, but it allows you to block the installation of apps with security risks. And I think this is good. So I'm going to tap on that turn on. You can now see right there that it is turned on. So let's go back to the home page. All right, this is great and I like this feature.